We run this program and see the output. Then initially number equal to 5 is printed. Then we are printing memory address of this number variable. So line number 10, p will have memory address of number variable, and % of p will be memory address of p where p is stored. Okay, m percentage of p will be the memory address of p pointer. M% of p memory location is this thing only, and at this memory location we will store the value of p, and value of p is memory address of number variable. Okay, so value of p is memory address of this number variable, and at this memory address value 5 is stored. Okay, so star p will print value stored at the this memory address, so 5 will be printed. Suppose now we want to update value of number variable as 10, and if we try to print value stored at the p memory location, then of course 10 will be printed. End of line. So what is happening here? We are saying 10 will be stored at memory address of number variable. Let's run this program and see the output. So see, number equal to 10 and star p equal to 10. We have updated values in the number variable as a 10. So now 10 will be stored at the memory address of number variable. So now 10 will be stored at this memory address. 5 is gone. We have updated 5 value as a 10 at this memory address. And p is pointing to this memory address only, number variable memory address. And with star p here, we are trying to access value stored at this memory address. So value stored at this memory address is 10. We have updated. So line number 17, what we are trying to do, we are trying to access value stored at this memory address. So value stored at this memory address is 10, since we have updated the value as a 10. And line number 18, we are trying to access value stored at the memory address of number variable. So value stored at this memory location is 10. So star p will print 10 value only. So this is how we can learn. If we update the value of number variable, then value stored at the address of number variable will be updated, of course, because star p is nothing but value stored at the memory location of this number variable. So automatically p star p will be updated. Suppose star p equal to 20. So basically what we are doing here, 20 will be stored at memory address of num variable. So memory address of number variable was 100, we have assumed. So 20 will be stored at this memory location. And so again, if you try to print number variable and star p, then value will be updated. Let me clear the output. So what we have done here, we have updated value 20 at the memory address of num variable. So 20 will be stored at this memory location. At line number 23, we are trying to access value stored at the memory address of number variable, and so for finding the value of number variable, we will go to memory address of number variable. It is 100, and now 20 is stored at this memory location. So at line number 23, 20 will be printed, and at line number 24, star p is nothing but value stored at memory address of number variable. So we will go to memory address of number variable, and 20 is stored at this memory address 100. So 20 will be printed. Let me run this program and see the output. See, 20 is printed as a number value, and star p will print 20 values. So with this line number 22, we are updating value as a 20 at this memory address. Now 5 and 10 is already gone. 5 and 10 is already gone. Now 20 will be stored at this number memory address. So at line number 23, we want to get the value of number variable. So we will go to the number variable memory address. Now 20 is stored at this address. So 20 will be printed. See, 20 will be printed. With the star p, we will go to memory address of number variable. We will go to memory address of number variable. And now 20 is stored at this memory address. So 20 will be printed. So this is how, with the help of pointers, we can update the values at the memory locations.